Superior quality craftsmanship with weather-resistant seal, diamond knurl design, and anodized inside and out for improved corrosion resistance. Compact design renowned for its quality, durability, and reliability. Made in America and built tough enough to last a lifetime, making it suitable for camping, car repairs, climbing, dog walking, fishing, household use, hunting, etc. Includes a spare lamp safely secured in the tail cap and converts quickly into freestanding candle mode, for convenient, hands-free light whenever you need it. Adjustable and powerful lighting instrument that makes a useful gift and fits perfectly into pockets, purses, attaché cases, etc. Top reviews from the United States. Solid and dependable mini mag Liteu. I love these little maglites. They are the most durable on the market and come in super handy. I first bought a couple of these about 10 years ago. I gave one to my grandmother to keep in her nightstand beside her bed. We lived in the country and the power went out a lot. The other one I kept in my purse and used it a lot while at work for my nursing job. I bought 2 more for stocking stuffers for my teenagers this past Christmas. These are great little flashlights that have so many valuable uses. They are not plastic like all of the others on the market and they have some weight to them as well. I like that the light bulbs in them can be replaced too. I still have mine from 10 years ago and it's still going strong.